So hello guys, good afternoon all of you. My name is Patel Marshi and I am back with my sixth video. So basically our sixth video was on the topic of 1952. Our problem number and our problem title is 3 divisor. So basically let us start our problem. Given an integer n, return true if n has exactly 3 positive divisor, otherwise result false. So this is our very easy problem. Okay, so basically I will explain through example. Like if we get example first, the input n is equal to 2, output is equal to false. Why? Because 2 has only divisor only 2, 1 and 2. Okay, then our second example was 4. So basically it gives output true. Why? Because the 4 has a 3 divisor, 1, 2 and 4. So basically what we want to do in this problem, we want to find some numbers that having divisor 3. Okay, so let us start with our code. Okay, so let us start be focusing with the code. So first of all we will initialize the counter. Okay, we will initialize count. Int count is equal to 0. This will store number of divisor. Okay, then after we will throw out the for loop. Okay, okay, so basically what the for loop does, it will check every possible number through starts from 1 to a given number n. If either if here n is equal to 2, so basically for loop what does, it will check from 1 to 2. If here n is equal to 4, so basically for loop will check 1 2 3 4. Okay, so for loop does it this, and then after we will check our condition. Okay, okay, count plus 1. So what it does, it if reminder is equal to 0, okay, so it will check our reminder is 0 or not. You know, if the our reminder is 0, then the number will count. If the reminder will not 0, the number will skip. Okay, and our I is a divisor. Okay, so we'll forward to our final check that we want to check how many divisor here. So basically we want to check the 3 divisors. So basically we want to uh, contain a condition here. If our count is equal to 3, then return here true. Okay, and if there not will be a count is equal to 3 divisor, then we want to return here false. So we will format here, and I will like to check one more time. Okay, so let us check if the code will write, then our all the test cases will pass. So as you see here, our all the test cases will be passed. So basically what I will explain the code again. So first of all I initialize a count. Okay, so then after it will come to a follow contains all the, it will check all the number from I1 to a given number n. Then after it will check the condition n divided by I. Okay, so it will reminder, if the reminder will give us 0, then it will count plus. Okay, so basically like I'm giving you example like here. Okay, example number 2 4. Okay, so basically if 4 divided by 1, okay, so basically 1 4s are 4, the remainder will 0, then one divisor will count. What if 3 come? Okay, 3 divided by 4, so oh sorry, 4 divided by, so basically what it will, the remainder will goes 1. Okay, so basically it will not count as a divisor. So basically if we will if the divisor will count, then after we want to only 3 divisor, not more than 3, not less than 3, we want exactly 3 divisor. So basically here the if condition, it tells us if there is a number and having exactly 3 divisor, then return true, and if there is more than 3 divisor, it gives us false. So basically guys, we'll submit here our problem. Okay, you will see here the runtime error is equal to 0, time complexity is very good. Okay, so our, as you see here, our all the test cases is passed. So guys, this is our problem number sorry, this is our problem number 1952, and this is our 6th video of the LeetCode series. So guys, stay focused and stay with me in LeetCode series. We'll meet in our next video with a new problem.